want to, I don't know, this is epic for me.
Yeah, thank you Sachin and thank you Jigar for coming here. To my kingdom. Yeah, this is my kingdom. I live here and all these years, 30 years, the people there, given me so much and I shifted from Bombay to here because mostly I make films now. I'm into acting and directing and doing music, singing and so forth. So it's a lovely evening with you all, and I hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy the crowd. Very musical crowd we have in all of the Northeast. They love music, they love good music, and they always applause. And I don't lage. Sachin yoga.
But can I let him go without saying, Jaane kya chahe man,
I will sing that like almost 1 or 2 years. Like, I'll sing one line for you. Jaane kya chahe man, अखियन मेरे सागर चला अखियन मेरे सागर चला My heart just can't be true. Oh, can't be true. My heart just can't be true. Can't be. Love you. Thank you. I gotta watch you today, not sing. I'm tired of singing.
it's truly
It's
our
like 38,000 songs in my whole life. That's what I got, but more than 38.
But we have Zublee Ba, and can I let her go without Didi? Actually, it will be an honor if you can sing 2 lines of Saibo with us.
But of course, please, let's do
Didi.
Saibo together. But before anything else, I want to say, Zubeen, we love you. Zubeen, we love you.
Alright, let's do this.
Thank you so much. It is actually an absolute honor. I don't know. My mic is not here.
Use my mic.
Can you increase my vocals a little bit?
Sachin ke mic ka vocal, please.
Vocals thoda sa.
She's using my. Please raise her on the. Please.
I cannot hear you. Maybe I can use Charu on that word. Charu?
Try this, try this. This is loud.
Hello, hello. Hello, I think this is louder.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Well, before I sing any song, it's an absolute honor to be with such legendary musicians here. And I'm the least experienced, I can say. So it is actually a moment to be cherished for a lifetime. I had the opportunity, the privilege of working with all of them. We had actually, with Sachin ji and Jigar ji, we had performed together at International Film Festival, Goa. And Charu has been a very good friend of mine since ages now. And also Divya, we had worked together and he's a brother to me. So it's a family here, it's a family meeting it seems. And to be singing your song, I have my mobile, I have to use the mobile because I have to see the lyrics. I hope that's okay, right?
No more disclaimers. Please, no more disclaimers. Stage is yours.
Thank you.
such such a pleasure. Zublee Bhai. Now thank you so much. Take us on stage.
Thank you. Carry on and love you always.
Guwahati, we have to say, all of us together, Zubeen and Jublee, we love you. We really love you.
Thank you so much. We are honored, and thank you to all the lovely, brilliant musicians. Thank you. Thank you, Krishna Dad. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.